In our last class, we had discussed the concept of flow control categorized into three types of statements: selection statements, iterative statements, and transfer statements. So, under selection statements, we will cover 2.1 is if else, and another is switch. So, this two terminology that we will cover under selection statement. So what is the concept of selection statement? Among several options, one option is selecting, and that selecting option is executing. Then we will see what is the syntax. Java provides a syntax for if else, and there is a mechanism for if else. Then, based on the syntax or the general form, or based on the mechanism, we will moving forward. So what is the general form or syntax? The general form is if let something is b. Statement 1, statement 2, then statement n. So this is called as if body. This is called as if body. Else statement 1, statement 2, then statement n. And this is called as else body. So what is B? B is anything that should be a Boolean value, whether it will be true or it will be false. So within bracket, whatever anything is given, maybe a constant value is given, maybe an expression is given, whatever, anything is given within bracket, so that we will evaluate first, and we will see if that is returning a Boolean value or not. Boolean value means true or false. If we are getting a Boolean value, then the source code, if else source code is valid, otherwise it is invalid source code. Immediately compile time error will arise. Then first we evaluate B. If we are getting it true, then if body will execute. Otherwise, else body will execute. That means if we will get false. So what is the mechanism? So first we evaluate B. So whatever anything is given, if we get the value true, then if body will execute. Otherwise, else body will execute. So I hope you got the clarity, Sachin, Anurag. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
the general form, or this is the syntax, and this is the mechanism. So if body, maybe it contain one statement or more than one statement. Similarly, In else body, it may contain one statement or it may contain more than one statement. So if we get a true value, then if body will execute. If we get false value, then else body will execute. Clear concept is clear? Then we will see some example. Let class if examples. Public static word main string args. Suppose some aptitude we will see. Suppose if I will write if 100 system.out.println. Okay. Suppose I will write Java programming. Else system.out.println. Suppose I will write Java means Ceylon software. So you tell what is the output. So first of all, we will see within bracket what is given, because what is our mechanism, what the concept is saying. So that part we have to see first. So within bracket whatever anything is given, so we have to evaluate first. So here 100, the value 100 is a constant value. 100 is a constant value, integer constant value. So from this 100, so you tell, so whether we will get true or false. So 100 is a constant value. So constant value, so we can't or we never evaluate. And it is an int value, integer type of value. Okay, so the compiler is strictly verifying. At the time of compilation, the compiler have known what is the mechanism of if else. Then compiler checked it. Within bracket, whatever the programmer have written, that should be a boolean value, but integer constant value the programmer have specified. Then what will the output? So now I will save the program. So our folder name was Java programming. So class name if examples dot Java. All files. Then I will save. I will go to command prompt. I will go to E drive. I will go to Java programming folder. Then I will compile Java C space if examples dot Java. Just to see compile time error raised. And what is the error? And just to see where the indication mark on the value 100. Because what the compiler is saying incompatible type int cannot be converted to boolean. I hope you got the clarity. Compiler is saying I found within bracket an int type of value, but that should be a boolean value. That place is demanding a boolean value, true or false. If true or false we are not getting, then we can't compile. I hope you got the clarity, Anurag, Hasin.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
it
sir.
is a compile time error. Just to write simply output is compile time error. Error is incompatible types, incompatible. Int cannot be converted to boolean. Similarly, suppose next example. Suppose I will write int x equals to 100. I will write if x equals to 200. Suppose. So first point is what? A variable is given already that have initialized the value of x is 100. So our task is first within bracket what is given. That is our main point. So x equals to 200. Now we will evaluate and we will see whether we are getting true value or false value, or neither true nor false. So expression is x equals to 200. Anurag, you tell what is the output, Sachin? Swangi. First of all, we will see within bracket what is given. Within bracket, an assignment expression is given. Single equals means assignment operator. X equals to 200 means the value 200 have assigned into x. So value of x was 100. Now the value of x is 200. So latest value is considering. So now the value of x is 200. So x equals to 200. This is an assignment expression. So here 200 is a constant value. Here I evaluated and I observed neither true nor false value I am getting. So same compile time error, because it is an assignment expression. Assignment expression means the value 200 assigned in x. I hope you got the clarity. Now I will save just to see. Java C if examples dot Java. Just to see same error. Incompatible types, int cannot be converted to boolean. Because assignment expression never returns any boolean value. So x equals to 200 means the value 200 assigning into x. So simply x value is 200. 200 is a constant value that we got. So it is not a true or it is not a false value. So that's why we get compile time error. Compiler strictly saying, no, I can't compile. Because within bracket, that portion is demanding to get or to specify true or false. Yes, I am coming to that point. Suppose my expression is this. If x double equals to 200. Okay. So Sachin, you tell double equals to is comparison operator or relational operator. So now relational operator, or that is also called as comparison operator, returns a boolean value. Now this expression is a valid expression. So within bracket what is given? First we have to see within bracket what the expression is given. 100 double equals to 200 because value of x is 100, that is given. So 100 double equals to 200. True or false? Abhishek, you are understanding? 100 double
Yes, sir.
equals to 200. So false. False is a boolean value. Yes. So now If we will compile, then the compiler compiles successfully. Why? Because it is returning a boolean value that is false. 100 double equals to 200, that is false. 100 double equals to 100, it is comparing, then it will be true, but it is given 100 to double equals to 200. So if it is false, then we know what is the mechanism. If we are getting false, then else body will execute. So output will come. Java means Ceylon software. Just to see Java C, if examples dot Java, Java space class name, if examples. Clear concept is clear. So now the output we got Java means Ceylon software. Clear concept is clear. So varieties of examples, if you will do, then expertise will come. Then we will go to next example. Suppose if I will write if false, if false. Otherwise, I can write also let boolean b equals to false. So if b, in this way also we can write. Then you tell speedily, you tell what will the output. Now I will save. The same way first, once we are going to evaluate what is the output of this source code, first we will see within bracket what is given. Within bracket what is given. So in bracket, the programmer have written B. Then what is B? B here that have written. B is a Boolean type of variable and the value of B is false. So B means the value of a B. So that means false. False is a Boolean value. So hence it is a valid expression. So once it is valid, so once we got false, then else part will execute. Now I will save just to see Java C space if examples dot Java, then Java space if examples. Your concept is clear. Suppose my expression is if B double equals to false, then what is the output? If B double equals to false. So first of all, within bracket, we will see what is given. So B double equals to means double equals to is a comparison operator or a relational operator. And we know this relational operator returning a Boolean value, whether it will be true or false. So now B is what? B is a Boolean type of variable that have initialized the value false that have assigned to B. So B means the value of a B. False double equals to false. That is true. 100 double equals to 100. That is true. Similarly, false is a value, Boolean value. False double equals to false. That is true. If we will get a true value, then if body will execute from Java programming. So just to see, now I will save. I will see Java C space class name if examples dot Java. Then I will go to run Java space class name. Java programming came because we will get or we got true value. So I hope you got the clarity. So this is all about if else. So I hope any type of question related if else, if you will see, then happily you can
Say,
find output. Yes,
say, explain it again.
false double equals to false. That is true. The value of B is false. Suppose 100 double equals to 100. True or false? Then you tell.
Yes, I got it now. Thank
Okay.
you.
So if I will get a true value, then if body will execute. So we got true, then Java programming is my output. So I hope you got the clarity. This type of question or any question related if else, if you will say, happily you can find the output. Clear?